Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone is doing well today. Today we're going to talk about new student loan scams that are on the rise. And of course, I've been seeing this from a lot of clients that I've had just over the past week actually. And I just want to kind of go over with you guys, what I've been seeing and some things that you guys should look out for, okay? So the first thing, number one, you have to see if you are paying a company that is not attached to Navient, Nelnet, Fed Loan, or any of the top direct loan people, okay? Well, of course, direct loans, but any of the distributors for, student loan providers, okay? So first off, just in case you guys don't know, Navient and Nelnet, they're one of the top companies for collecting on student loan debt. That's exactly what the company's purposes is, okay? Because you have two different companies. That's their main purpose, is to collect on student loans, okay? Now they do have some other endeavors that they're involved in, but about 90 to 95% of what they do is to make sure that they're collecting student loan debt. Now there is a lawsuit that's going on with Navient right now, and of course that's another video for another day. As far as right now goes, you want to make sure that if you have some type of forbearance, some type of deferment, or some type of payment plan, that you must call them directly. I did a video on this before on setting up some type of payment structure. Ignoring them is not going to do you any good. But what they're doing is, of course, since about 80 to 90% of Americans have some type of student loan, they're just simply going down the list. Chances are, if you're between the ages of 24 to 32, you have student loans. So if you just start going down a list of people, or however they get these lists of whatever people, and they just simply start saying, hey, we got your loan lowered down to $25 a month, $50 a month, or whatever the case may be, and you say to yourself, man, that sounds affordable, and they know that people are desperate. They know that people are in default, and so what they're doing is they're setting things up. They're setting up, websites. They're setting up payment structures and things of that sort. And again, it does not. It's a good chance that the company is not legitimate if you cannot go through Navient, Nelnet, direct loans, or Fed loan servicing to actually go through that route. The best way to do it is to actually call those companies that I just mentioned. I'm actually going to put all the contact numbers down at the bottom, okay? So if you have a loan with Navient, you should not get a call from another company saying, hey, let's go ahead and start structuring your loan, your loan payment process. You only want to contact the company directly, okay? I'll give an example. So things to look out for. Number one, if you are making payments on your student loans, but you're not seeing the balances change on your credit report, that could be a flag, okay? Now, granted, student loans don't report to the credit bureaus, in a very timely fashion, but you should still have some type of decrease in that. I had a client not too long ago who he was paying every single month a company, and they essentially had scammed him. He was paying about over $100-some a month, and 2 years had gone by. And I just told him, I said, listen, have you checked your student loan balance? Have you logged in? A lot of people have not even logged into their online platform, okay? Every student loan servicer has an online platform to show you exactly what you owe, okay? And that could be with the U.S. Department of Education. That could be with Navient, Nelnet, whatever all these other platforms that are out there, Sallie Mae. You can log in and see what your balance is. If you're making payments, that balance, you should at least see some type of payment be applied to that balance, even if you do have interest. Now that does play a role. If you're making, let's say, $25 a month payments, $50 a month payments, and you're getting 6% interest, which is the average interest rate that a lot of student loans have right now, you may not see balance change that much, but you should still be able to log in and just make sure that your payments are going directly to them, okay? If you're not sure if your payments are going directly to the right people, just give them a call and they'll let you know what your payment history is. So that's number one, is that you always want to make sure that you are looking at your credit report to make sure that you're looking for balance changes, okay? Number two, if the payment sounds too low. Now, I know that Navient or Nelnet, I'm not sure which one, but they do have a payment plan that some people qualify for that's as low as $5 a month, right? It's almost unbelievable. But at the same time, again, the only way to sign up with that program is if you reach out to the company or they reach out to you, you qualify for the program. And there's other programs they have too, income-based programs, military-based programs. If you don't have a job, if you're going back to school, there's a lot of different ways to kind of go into that. I'm not a student loan expert by any means at all, but again, the numbers will be down at the bottom to make sure you're on top of your profile. Nobody wants to look at debt, right? But at the same time, you got to be on top of it. If not, someone's going to call you. They know that you're desperate. They know you're going to want to set up some type of payment structure. And I'm telling you, they are getting people. People are paying every single month $20 a month, $15 a month, $100 a month, $150 a month, and it's not going anywhere towards their actual student loan balance because the companies are fake. Now, there are some companies out here that are actually helping you through the student loan consolidation process. You can pay somebody to show you how to do it, or you could just just call any one of those student loan providers and they'll walk you through the consolidation process for free, okay? I'm not knocking any other company. That's how they make their money, whatever the case may be. But again, call the companies directly. Don't just start setting things up just because you get a phone call. It's better for you. I'd rather you have an outbound phone call and you set something up yourself, all right, than to actually get an inbound phone call or a piece of mail and then you call them. No. You want to make sure that you call the right numbers, the right people, find out what your options are. Ignoring this stuff is not going to go anywhere, okay? So those are just kind of things to look out for. And I only bring this up because I've been seeing this lately with a few of my clients, and I noticed student loan balances weren't changing. They were still getting late payments. Everything was still in default, and they were making payments on their on their student loans, but the changes were not being made on their credit report. So just something to look out for, okay? But as always, if you like this video, like it. You want to share it, and be sure to subscribe as we got a lot more great content on the way. Thank you so much. Have a great day.